Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. It's Friday, November 15th, 2024, and we're closing out another exciting week in the Forex market. Today, I'm breaking down what's driving the major currency pairs, key levels to watch, and what to prepare for as we head into next Monday, November 18th. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and keep refining your trading strategy, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. This week has been marked by significant movements, especially in the USD. The dollar index surged earlier in the week following stronger-than-expected U.S. retail sales data, which reinforced the Fed's hawkish stance on rates. However, by midweek, we saw a slight pullback as traders adjusted positions ahead of next week's economic calendar. Meanwhile, the euro to US dollar struggled to gain ground as concerns about slowing growth in the eurozone lingered. Across the pond, pound sterling to US dollar saw a choppy week, largely driven by mixed employment and inflation numbers out of the UK. And let's not forget the commodity currencies like the AUD and CAD, which faced pressure from weaker Chinese data and declining oil prices, respectively. Now, let's shift our focus to Monday, November 18th. There are a few events and themes that will likely set the tone for the week. ECB speeches. Several European Central Bank members are scheduled to speak, and their comments on inflation and monetary policy will be closely watched. Any hawkish tones could give the euro a much-needed boost. Japanese GDP data. Early Monday, we're expecting Japan's preliminary GDP numbers for Q3. This could impact the JPY pairs, especially US dollar to Japanese yen, which has been trading near multi-month highs. U.S. housing market data. The National Association of Home Builders, NAB, Housing Market Index comes out. While not typically a major market mover, it's worth keeping an eye on as it adds context to the overall health of the U.S. economy. Geopolitical developments. Traders should remain vigilant about geopolitical risks, particularly in the Middle East and Eastern Europe, which could influence risk sentiment and safe haven flows. Let's jump into the charts and analyze the technicals for some key pairs. The euro closed the week near 1.0700, struggling to hold above its 200-day moving average. For Monday, keep an eye on 1.0680 as a strong support level. If it breaks, the pair could head toward 1.0650. On the upside, 1.0750 remains a significant resistance level. Sterling ended the week in a tight range near 1.2300. Watch for a breakout above 1.2350 to target 1.2400. However, if bearish momentum picks up, we could see a retest of the 1.2200 level. This pair has been riding a bullish wave, hovering near 150.00. Monday's Japanese GDP data could spark volatility. A break above 150.50 might signal a continuation toward 151.00, while a downside move could bring us back to the 149.00 zone. The Aussie dollar remains under pressure, trading near 0.6400. Key support is at 0.6380, with resistance around 0.6450. Chinese economic data next week will likely play a role in this pair's direction. Now that we've covered the fundamentals and technicals, let's talk strategy. For range traders, Monday's lighter economic calendar could mean more range-bound movements in pairs like euro to US dollar and pound sterling to US dollar. Use this to your advantage by setting tight stops and aiming for quick profits within key support and resistance levels. For trend followers, keep an eye on US dollar to Japanese yen and Australian dollar to US dollar, which could see stronger trends depending on data releases and risk sentiment shifts. Risk management tip. With geopolitical uncertainties still looming, it's crucial to keep your position sizes manageable and avoid over-leveraging, especially during periods of lower liquidity. That's a wrap for today's analysis. As always, stay disciplined, stick to your trading plan, and don't let emotions take over. Monday could set the stage for some significant moves, so make sure you're prepared. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow traders. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next forecast. Drop a comment below and let me know which pairs you're watching for Monday. I'll catch you all next time. Happy trading!